In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make some cowboy toothpicks with this very thin piece of square steel. So, let's do it. Alright, so first, clearly you want to heat up your metal. You're going to take it, and you're going to start tapering the point on the end. So that'll give it, the toothpick part. Now this is going to cool down real fast if you don't heat your anvil up, which is exactly what's happening. When I say heat it up, usually I just take like a horseshoe, put it in the forge, heat it up, and just throw it down where I want to get warm, and then suck the heat out. Your anvil won't suck the heat out of your metals fast, but so you're just gonna do that. Taper a point on both sides, and then when we get there, when you get the both tapered, you're gonna heat the whole thing up, put it in a vise, and twist it. Make it kind of like the handle of this dagger, but it's a smaller. So, yeah, we'll get to that. But now we just gotta do it again. It'll take a minute to heat Like I said, the only problem with the small steel is that this just takes the heat out of it. It literally, like you can just see, like I can only work on it for like 10 seconds because it just takes all the heat out. Now it might be malleable when it's not even hot, but that's a good way to break it. So that's why you heat it up. Most steels are not malleable when they're not hot, but this thin square steel might. But also, it's a good way to break it. So I'm just going to do it like this. How you're supposed to. It just sucks the heat right out. You can't do anything about it. I don't know if you can actually see this, but metal's really hot, but it's not orange, and I'm still moving. Well, like I said, that's a good way to break it. So just get it hot. Right, we're doing it again. I'm actually gonna change this one up a little bit. I'm gonna do like a square tip instead of like a round tip. I never actually done like that. That'd be really careful with this stuff. You don't necessarily have to. Get just how you want it. It is. Now we gotta do the other side. Okay, second point is done. Now I'm gonna heat it up, and then I'm gonna put it in the vise, and I'm gonna twist it. So I'm gonna set the camera up for that. Okay, put it in there. Now, top. Then we twist. Ow. Okay, that was really hot. if this is just bending or it's like because it's like weak or it's still warm enough. Here, let's find out. I'm pretty sure it's just bending. This actually right here is about good, but I also have to do some little finishing touches on it, so I'll put you back on the anvil. Alright, I do think she is pretty much done. I mean, I gotta quench it real quick. And then I gotta sharpen it and clean it up. Is she flat? Depends on who it is. That's pretty flat. Okay. In the board you go. I'll be honest. This thing snaps in half. When I put it in that water, I'm a little angry. Not because it took long to make it. I spent 80 hours on it. This is like, really? That's propane, and I don't have any. Let me move you to the quench button. Right there. Ready to be quenched. Launch the quenching sequence. 3, 2, 1, go. Why is that so hot? Am I sniffing? It's in there. If I grab this and it's still hot, then I'm... That is Cowboy Toothpick. I think it's pretty cool. Got the tips. I still got to sharpen it and clean it up, but success. I don't know if you can see it very well. But yeah, that's about it. Guys, this is the final product of the Cowboy Toothpick. You see, I got it sharpened on both ends. I got the twist in there. I got it all shiny. It's real clean now. And yeah, you could use this for just about anything you want. You could use this design for nails, actually, too. Just like leave one end blank, and you could use this as a nail, and it'd work pretty well. I actually might try that. I'm not going to do it in this video, but I will try that. Yeah. Usually you put this in the band that's on your cowboy hat. I would not put it in the ball cap, because you probably get stabbed. But yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.